Don't count my shopping out to kill me. You did some bad things, but I'm a worse man. Sometimes I wanna reach when I feel that it's right. You can say it looks can kill and I try. I don't just a women. I don't just a man. Lady, how you dressing for a bed? But I can tell you how it ends. Don't get sad anyway. So on the weekends, I don't just for friends. Baby, have you dressing for revenge? She needed cold hot loose, so I gave it some. She had the envelope break, and she got it wrong. Kids and the crying. You should make these with your ex-wife. And she looks so pretty, driving in her van. Maybe she's been dressing for revenge. She's talk shit, but she can tell you how it ends. It's sad, get in bed. Just for friends, maybe she's been dressing for revenge. Always rise above, ladies know what people want. Someone sweet and kind and fun, the ladies simply had enough. But he was too